Gigabyte Aero 5. At least that's what the name is. That's what it's showing here. That came here with critical failure. The customer already opened it. He removed his data. It's Aero 5, that's what I said. Gigabyte. It has i7 CPU. It's recently, I see them shorted all the time. Let's see what we have here. This battery connector is broken, but that's not our problem. We don't care about this. And we're going to start by checking for short. DDR5 typically they tend to have short. This is okay. So the RAM is not shorted. I'm going to start with the main power rail to see if it's shorted or not and try to find capacitors. This is okay. This is okay. Let's try to find some more capacitors just to try to find if the main power rail is shorted usually. Okay. Yeah, nothing here. This one should be for sure the main power rail. Yes, sir. That's it. So the main power rail is not shorted, which is good. I'll start by walking through the coils and see what I can find. So this one, this is probably... Okay, this is the memory. And this one as well, probably the memory. Yeah. And here we have nothing on these coils. Let's go here. What is this coil for? This coil is okay. And here we have 0. So this coil is completely shorted. We have completely 0 on. And here we have, here is good. Good. So this is the problem. What is this coil for? I don't know if it's a charging coil. Let's see if it's going to the charger. Don't really know what it is. No. So this is not the charging. No, it's not going to the charger. So I don't know what this coil is. I'm going to take it apart, inject voltage here, and we're going to see what's shorted. Hopefully it's a small thing, a capacitor or a MOSFET that can be replaced, and the customer will be happy. Taking apart, we're going to have a look to try to see what's going on. Yeah, I'm going to look under the microscope and try to see if there is anything that is interesting that might be good, or anything that we can find near the shorted area. Yeah, so we have, this is the coil that is shorted, and look at that, the resistor below. Ah boy, this is, somebody touched something here. Ah boy, this is not a normal short. I knew it. Ah boy, this is gone here. Wow, they burned it, and yeah, I know that it came from another shop, and when a laptop comes from another shop, it is usually a problem. Look at that. So somebody shorted here, between here and here, and I don't know what else. Probably this chip is gone. Wow, this is the NCP 81610. This is the controller for the CPU. This is going to be bad news here. Anyway, I will try to clean this area, but that doesn't look good, and check what's going on. I'll remove these capacitors, and if I can remove it without ripping off the pads, replace the resistor, and take it from there. We didn't even need to inject any voltages. Okay, so we're going to clean up here a little bit and see what's going on under. Probably this is gone. Looks like everything here is gone. We have the brush. This is not good. This is bad news. Let me try to get it. Let's see what's going on. There's the multimeter. That multimeter here from the GPU. And let's see what's going on here. Probably this capacitor shorted. Hopefully that will end up with this. And we're going to see here. I'm going to put it on beep. Okay, so this capacitor is gone. This capacitor is gone. Okay, so these has to be replaced. We're going to replace it because I don't know what it is for. And this one is, this is a resistor. And the resistor I think is still, I'm not sure that it's good. What's the size of this resistor? Let me just bend it a little bit just to see what it is. Where is this resistor? So this resistor is, I can't see what it is. It's showing 018, so it's 180 ohm. Might be good, I'm not sure. 018. It's 18 ohm, I think. I think it's small. Yeah, I think this is not good. But anyway, I'll check this up later. We have these has to be replaced. If the short will be out, we will continue. Where is it? If the short is out, sorry about that. If we will be able to clear the short here with these with these two capacitors, hopefully only these, and we'll continue later. Let's see. So we've decided to disconnect the battery, to take the motherboard out. Yeah, decided to take the motherboard out to see what's going on the other side. It does look bad from this side. I don't know still what's going on the other side. Try to take the motherboard out. It's not simple to take it out, but we'll figure it out. Yeah, we're going to remove the motherboard and we're going to see what's going on the other side. Anything hidden, any cables? Okay, so the cables, nothing in here. Okay, I just want to see what's going on the other side here, if there's anything burned. Let's see here. I'll get lucky, it's going to be only the capacitor, but I think I have a feeling that we're going to have here more than one problem. Okay, so yeah. So here I don't see anything. I don't see anything burned here. Okay, so we're going to try here just to have a look to see that there's nothing wrong here. And if everything here is good, visually, we'll see what to do. Next, we'll remove the capacitors. I think it's okay. Okay, I will remove these capacitors and see if the short will be out. I'm sure it's not going to be a simple job. It's welded probably to the board. Okay, so I removed the small battery as well. Well, let's try to remove these capacitors without damaging the board. And after that, we'll see what will happen. To 400 degrees. This is a thick board. Let's see if we can remove these. Hopefully that these capacitors are the shorted one and not the NCP chip, because in my experience, if it is the NCP chip, we are going to be in a big problem. Okay, this came out. This was easy. And even this one. Good. So now I'm going to check and see if we still have short. Hopefully that's the only thing that shorted. We'll replace this capacitor later on, so it's not a problem. I don't know if it's needed or not, but first of all, let's see if there is no short on the coil anymore. There's still short on the coil. Oh boy, that's going to be bad. But the short is literally 0, so it's not this capacitor. Let's see if on this line we can. And here I can't see any short, and here no short. Okay, so this line was shorted, and now it's not shorted. So I have this one, and I have this one, this line. So this one and this one, we have 2 shorts on the motherboard. That's really bad. There's no way that this motherboard is going to be fixed. Yeah, it's still 0 here. We had the short. We cleared this short. Probably this chip is gone. Anyway, I'll have to inject here voltage, and hopefully we'll be able to see what else is getting hot. Do it later on. We're going to see here. So here we had one short, but poking around this area, I found this one as well. This one 2.7 ohm. It's a different one that is shorted. So it's likely the MOSFET is shorted and God knows what else. So this is another short, and we have the line as well as shorted. This is showing 0.3 ohm. This is totally short. And the capacitor itself, see here, okay, again, the capacitor, sorry, I missed it. So the capacitor here is 2.7 ohm to ground. This is ground, yeah, and we have another short here. So it's two different short. Oh boy, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know if it's worth spending time. 3 shorts already, it's not normal. Usually more than one, it's a dead end. Anyway, I'm going to inject voltage to the coil to see where it's going. We'll take it from there. So I'm going to put a bit of solder here. It's a thick board, so it's not going to be easy. We have to inject somewhere here. Yeah, hopefully, where's the cable, the injector cable? Put a little bit of, and put a little bit of this. Solder wire, some solder here, and I'm going to connect this here. Yeah, it isn't. Okay, so I'll connect it to the injector, and we're going to see what's getting hot. If it's something big, I'm going to close it, and that's it. So we're going to inject voltage. We injected voltage here. Tried with low voltage, you can't see anything, but here I can see that the coil is getting hot and something behind the coil. So the short is on this side, and it's probably something over here. Not sure what it is. We'll try with alcohol and see what. It's probably a chip or something. We try to see what's going on here. Yeah. Oh, there is a capacitor there even. Okay, let's turn it on. One. Okay, let's see now. Let's see what's getting hot here. Too many things, I think. What is getting hot? Well, the capacitors here are getting dry. Which one? Oh, this one. Yeah, this one is drying fast, you see? This one, yeah, is drying really fast. Okay, so another shorted capacitor. Wow, what am I going to find here else? I don't know. Okay, I'm going to disconnect and remove this capacitor as well. I will probably replace it later on. I'm going to remove this cup, and I will replace it later on if needed. I hope that that's the only this hot air station compared to my old one, yeah, it takes time to heat, and that sucks. Come on. Okay, this is out. Okay, let's see if they're still short here. We'll let the board cool down, but we should see a difference if the short is no longer there. Let me see. Let's see what's going on. If they're still short. Okay, let's see now. Still short. Okay, try again with alcohol. Let's see what's going on. This is not going to. It's not going to be an easy job, this one. No, oh, it's taking less. no more short, really. So what is this? Am I wrong or something? What? It's taking less amperage. Short is gone? Really? Yeah, the short is gone. Wow. So it was just this capacitor. That's very good. No more short. Okay, so probably the cable was shorted. That's very good news. Yeah. So there is no short. We cleared this short. Let me see what about this capacitor, if it's still shorted. No. No more short. Okay. Okay. So we can actually try to power on the motherboard and see if everything is okay. I will check for recall shorted. No. Check the coils here to see if anyone else is shorted, just in case. And then one, and we have two, and we have three, 6.5 ohm, 6.5 ohm. It's okay for the CPU. 6.5, 6.5. Yeah, this is good. This is good. Yeah, that should be good. This is the GPU. It should be low. Yeah, the GPU is usually low, so you cannot determine if it's good or bad. Yeah. Okay. Well, this will be a miracle if this motherboard will work. I mean, yeah, we're going to give it a shot. I'm going to connect everything back. I'm not going to put capacitors now. I'll put it after, and yeah, hope for the best. So we checked that there's no short. I put everything as much as possible back. Small battery I don't need. Took it out. So I checked that there's no short on the board, and I checked with my power supply that nothing is shorting because I can limit the current. This one is about 10 amp. I'm going to blow up something, and we're going to test together and going to hope for the best. I don't give this much hope to power on. We're going to see now. I think we are going to need a miracle to have this working. Is it on? Oh, the fans are spinning. Okay. The fans are spinning. Okay. Yeah, it's no brain. It's not getting even. Oh, it's getting hot a little bit. I think it's not getting that much hot. Yeah, this will be a miracle if this will work. Give it a minute or two to see. This is Intel. Intel is doing self-test. Well, it's doing self-test, I think. The fan stopped and restarted. That's a good sign. Who knows? Come on, give me something. Okay, let's wait 3 minutes. It's getting hot actually, and it did reboot once. I want to check to see if we have voltages. Hey, listen to the fan. It's going hot. Look, there's picture. No way. Oh my gosh. No way. Wow. Wow. The guy is going to be happy. Wow. 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 I can't believe it. There is pictures. Wow. No way. No way with all this damage. No way. So it was only the capacitors. Wow. Okay. I hope that I'm not going to find anything else. It is powering on. It is working. I'm going to connect the SSDs and everything. We're going to put everything back. And we have a repair. We have a fixed laptop, man. Wow. Yeah, thanks. I'm not going to mention your name, but you have a working laptop. I'm so happy for you, brother. Thank you. Thank you. I will edit the video for next. After that, I will connect everything and make some tests. But this looks like a fix. If we are getting to the BIOS, we are most likely going to be able to have this computer working. Anyway, okay, so we installed everything. I'm going to try to see if we can fix the battery connector. It seems to be okay. I don't think we need to touch it. Yeah, it is holding. I'm going to close it because we have here a working board. I installed my NVMe here, and hopefully this thingy is going to work. And yeah, it should work. I mean, it worked before, so let's plug the power. Yep. I'm not turning it on until everything is closed. We don't want to take any risk. This is an expensive laptop. Okay. We know that it powered on before. We have light on the keyboard. Nice, nice. Very nice. I will have a coffee. And let's see. So this is my SSD. I'm going to run a few tests. And hopefully all will be good. So the BIOS was reset here. So yeah, it will take a few minutes. I'm going to run a few tests. And we'll see. We'll see. We'll take one thing at a time, but look like the computer will work properly. I think I forgot to install the other memory. Yeah. I will install it with his SSDs. Let's see what's going on now. Okay, so we had the Gigabyte signed, and now we're waiting for it to boot. Now the BIOSes here are slow, slow, slow. Come on, come on. Yeah, it worked before. It's doing self-test, like I said. Now let's see if it will detect my SSD. Yeah, it's booting my SSD to Windows, and I guess we have here a fix. We'll install the other memory. We'll install the SSD as well. And we should have a very happy customer here. So yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and always be careful when you open a laptop. First of all, disconnect the battery, not to create damage, further damage, because sometimes the damage is not always fixable. This is literally a miracle that this laptop was fixed from this amount of damage. Wow, look at that. It's a nice laptop. Beautiful. Wi-Fi is working. Yeah, everything should be working here. Obviously, yeah, Wi-Fi is good. Everything is good. Sound, we already heard the sound. Okay, thank you for watching, and have a good day.